In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead generation form in Google Forms and link responses to Google Sheets. First, open your Google form. If you're starting from scratch, head to your Forms homepage or open it from your Drive, and you'll land on the main editing screen. This is where you'll set up everything your leads will see. At the very top of the form, click into the big title field in the main form area and type Lead Generation Form. This becomes the heading your audience sees and helps you quickly recognize the form in your list later. Now, let's add the questions your leads will fill out. On the right side, you'll notice a vertical toolbar. Click the plus icon to add a new question. In the question card that appears in the main area, type full name. This will capture the person's name exactly as they enter it. Click the plus icon again to add another question and type email address. Having a dedicated email field makes it easy to follow up or subscribe them to your newsletter if that's part of your process. Click the plus icon once more and type phone number. Some people prefer a quick call or text, so this field gives you an additional way to reach out. Next, click the plus icon and type company name. This helps you understand the organization behind the inquiry, which can be useful for tailoring your response. Add one more question using the plus icon and type, "What service are you interested in?" This invites the lead to be specific about their needs, so you can route or respond appropriately. With your questions in place, switch to the Responses tab at the top, next to Questions and Settings. Inside the Responses tab, click the Google Sheets icon. When prompted, select Create a new spreadsheet. This instantly links your form to a spreadsheet where every new submission will be recorded in real time, making it simple to track, sort, and share data with your team. Finally, go to the top bar and click the link icon to copy the form link. This gives you a shareable URL. Send that link to potential leads wherever they already engage with you, on your website, in social posts, or via email, so they can submit their information at any time. That's it. You've set up a clean, reliable lead capture form, connected it to a spreadsheet for effortless tracking, and grabbed a link you can share right away.